Okay, just finished writing blank in assembler. Then I hand assembled it to machine code. There's the program. All right, so first I load 255 into register 16. I output register 16 into IO register 4, which is our data direction register for port B. Then I load 32 in register 17. That makes the fifth bit position a 1. Then I copy contents of register 17 into temporary register 16. I output register 16 into IO register 5, port B, and that turns on the LED. Then I load 31 into register 18, our counter. Then I load 65,535 between registers 24 and 25, and that makes up our prescaler of sorts. I subtract 1 from our prescaler until it becomes 0. And then every time our prescaler reaches 0, it decrements the counter by 1. And it just goes through that loop until the counter reaches 0. And once the counter becomes 0, an exclusive OR is performed on temporary registers 16 and 17. 16 being the destination register. So if the LED is on, if there's a value of 32 in register 16, then exclusive ORing it with register 17, which also has a 32 value, it'll make register 16 a 0. So that'll turn off the light eventually. But to do that, we have to do a relative jump back to step 5, where the temporary register is output to the IO port, and it just goes through that loop over and over and over. And you can see where our loops are. We have a branch not equal, and that takes it back 1 step from the program counter. Then we have another branch not equal down here, takes it back 5 steps. And we have our relative jump right here, which takes it back 9 steps, which starts the process all over again. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.